Adam4adam, what's it? Where's it? How to use the Adam4adam app. Adam4adam is a well-known online platform and app designed for gay, bisexual, and queer men to connect. Launched in 2003, it's considered one of the pioneering social networks and dating services for the LGBTQ+ community. The app is often referred to by its nickname, A4A. Key features and purpose, *target audience *Adam4adam is specifically for men who are looking to meet other men. *networking and dating the app serves multiple purposes, allowing users to find friends, casual dates, long-term relationships, or networking opportunities. Geolocation based *A primary feature is the ability to browse profiles and connect with other users in your immediate vicinity, often displayed in a grid format. Extensive filters users can narrow down their searches with more than 20 different filters, including age, body type, and preferences. Free to use model Adam4adam is known for offering a substantial number of its features for free, which sets it apart from some competitors. Revenue is generated through advertising, with a VIP membership available for an ad-free experience and additional perks. VIP membership, while the app is largely free, a VIP membership provides an enhanced experience with features such as ad-free browsing, invisible or stealth mode for discrete profile viewing, priority support, the ability to save more conversations and profiles. Content and community, explicit content the platform is known for being more explicit than many mainstream dating apps. This can include full frontal profile pictures and the presence of adult content like live cam shows and sex-related ads. Profile verification the app requires a profile to be approved by site administration to help reduce the number of fake accounts. However, some users still report encountering fake profiles and scammers. Community building beyond dating and hookups, the app fosters a sense of community. It has been a long-standing platform where men can connect in a space specifically designed for them. Availability, the Adam4adam app is available for both Android and iOS devices. It can be found on official app stores, and in the case of Android, the APK file can also be downloaded from third-party sites. It's important to note that the app is rated for users 17+ or 18+ due to its mature and explicit content.